this is a very quick revision about verbs. Probably most of you know what verbs are. You always say it's an action word. Verbs are action words. Even sometimes they're not necessarily very active. Like, for example, to lie. Like, you can be lying down and you're not doing any action, but it's still an action word, because what are you doing? You're lying down. So you probably can ask a question, what are you doing, or what is he doing? Right. So let's just have some examples of verbs. Love, loved, love in different variation, yeah? So to love is an infinitive form. Then you have to walk, walked, walking, yeah, I was walking. Please don't forget that very often words like love, for example, or light could be used as different word classes depending on a sentence. So, for example, if I said, please light the fire, light in this case is going to be a verb, but if I said, my light is broken, in this case it's a noun. So the same words could be different word classes depending on how they're used in a sentence. Don't forget this. Right, so I think most of you are clear about normal verbs, but what you often forget and what you don't circle in your questions are these verbs. So variations of the verb to be. So to be is in infinitive form. Infinitive means like a neutral form, yeah? Then if it's I, so for example, to be beautiful, I am beautiful, yeah? He, she, it is beautiful. They are beautiful. In the past, he was beautiful, or they, we were beautiful, yeah? Okay, so all of this, am, is, are, was, were, are also verbs. Don't forget that. As well as have, has, had, do, does, did. They're called auxiliary verbs, really, so they're like additional verbs, but they're also verbs. If you have a question where it says, please circle all the verbs in the sentence below, do not forget these.